Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to restore a wash dresser just using walnut oil. Let's get started. So this is the wash dresser that I'm going to work on. As you can see, it looks dull. I've already prepped it by cleaning it and getting rid of dust and debris. And what I did next is I used walnut oil. I did not have olive oil, so you can also use olive oil to restore your dresser. This kind of enhances its natural beauty and provides protective finish. So I just kind of use a clean cloth. You can also use a brush to apply the walnut oil or olive oil, and make sure you apply a generous amount and spend a bit of time on this step. There's several advantages or benefits of applying walnut oil or olive oil in restoring wooden pieces, and some of them is that it gives it a natural look, and it also enhances the natural beauty of the wood, giving it a warm and rich finish. Another advantage of using walnut oil or olive oil on furniture is that it's non-toxic and is food safe. It makes it suitable for furniture that might come into contact with food. It also makes it easy to apply, as you don't need any special tools or techniques. You just need a clean cloth or a brush to apply your oil into the furniture. It is also water resistant, and it helps to protect the wood from moisture damage. It has short curing time, and also it has conditioning properties which penetrates the wood fibers and nourishes the wood, which can help prevent drying and cracking over time. It has low maintenance and is a sustainable choice, making it environmental friendly choice compared to synthetic finishes. Do make sure you allow the oil to sit on the surface for at least 15 or 30 minutes to let the wood absorb the oil. So after the soaking time, make sure you wipe off any excess oil with a clean, dry cloth to prevent a sticky residue. Once you finish applying the walnut oil or the olive oil, make sure you leave the dresser to dry for 24 hours before using it. So since the walnut oil takes longer to cure, you might need to leave it several days before applying additional coats. If you plan to apply additional coats, make sure you follow the same process that I've followed before and give it time in between each and every coat. Once the final coat is cured, you can buff the surface with a soft cloth to enhance the shine and smoothness of the finish. This step is optional. If you stumbled upon this video and you've stuck around up to this point, thank you so much for watching. My name is Alice, and I post fashion, lifestyle, interior DIY and gardening type of content. And if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, you could do so. You could also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Walnut oil finishes are relatively easy to maintain, and you can regularly dust the dresser or the furniture, and you can occasionally apply a thin layer of oil, maybe once or twice a year, to keep the wood nourished. And this is the finished look of the wash dresser. As you can see, it looks nice, it looks polished, the appearance has improved, and it just looks amazing. Looks better than the way it was looking before, because it looked a little bit pale and dull, and now it's shining. I would also like to hear from you guys on how you polish and maintain your furniture using oil, and what type of oil you use and which one do you prefer. Leave a comment below. There's different ways where you can style your wash dresser. You can choose a focal point and use statement pieces such as large vases or antique clock or collection of unique plates, and just use them to draw attention. You could also mix and match heights by using different heights to create visual interest. You can layer like items such as candlesticks alongside with bowls and sculptures just to give that height differentiation. You could also use the shelves to display your beautiful dishes or glasswares or cookbooks or vases, like the way I've done on my Welsh dresses. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.